post-test review. After the student has completed the ePACE test, you will receive a notification that the test has been completed. If the student scored 80% or higher, the notification says, "Student has completed the PACE test for subject and number." This notification also has two links. The first link leads to a review of the test where you can compare the student's answers to the correct answers, make comments, and override the auto-scoring to award more points if desired. For details on these matters, please refer to the resource on Reviewing Student Attempts. After reviewing the student's attempt, proceed to the bottom of the test and click the gray button to save. The second link in the dashboard notification is to assign the next ePACE. This directs you to ePACE completion. Alternatively, ePACE completion can be accessed by selecting School Setup and clicking ePACE completion. Two options are available in ePACE completion. Clicking on the green checkmark makes the ePACE complete. Clicking on the green arrow makes the ePACE complete and directs you to the page where the next ePACE can be assigned. For more information on assigning ePACEs, please refer to the resource, Assigning ePACEs to Students. If the student scored less than 80%, the notification says, "Student scored less than 80% on the subject and number ePACE test." This notification contains two links. The first link allows you to review the test. Following this link leads to the Review Attempt page, where you can edit the points awarded. For instructions on how to review student attempts, please refer to the resource on Reviewing Student Attempts. At the bottom of the attempt page are action buttons. Clicking Save returns you to the dashboard. Clicking Reset ePACE directs you to the page that provides reset options. The second link in the notification allows you to reset the ePACE. If after your review, the student's score is still below 80%, click on the link to reset the ePACE. Choose Yes to reset the ePACE as it was originally assigned, or click Reset with Change. Under this option, if the full ePACE was originally assigned, you can reset it to Test Only if your school status allows for this option. If Test Only was originally assigned, you can reset it to Full Access. Please note that schools with quality status or the model school designation will be able to choose Test Only for all subjects. All other users can choose Test Only for the word-building ePACEs. Resetting an ePACE to full access results in one license being deducted from the available ePACE licenses. In order to reset ePACEs to full access, you must have previously purchased ePACE licenses in School Setup under ePACE Purchase Tracking.